Are ya ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh! Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Absorbent and yellow and porous is he.
SpongeBob SquarePants!
If nautical nonsense be something you wish,
SpongeBob SquarePants!
then drop on the deck and flop like a fish!
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Ready? SpongeBob SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants!
Welcome aboard. You've recently been hired by the Krusty Krab restaurant, and this is your first official day of training.
Can I make a Krabby Patty now?
The ribosomes produce proteins in the cell.
Ribosomes are like the cooks in a restaurant because cooks produce food.
The rough endoplasmic reticulum is given its name because ribosomes, which produce food, are found on its surface.
Just as ribosomes are found in the rough ER, cooks are found in a kitchen.
The mitochondria of a cell converts chemical energy into a form of energy the cell can easily use.
This is like an oven or grill in a restaurant because it converts the gas, wood, or electricity into heat energy.
The story of the Krusty Krab is a story of one man's hard work, perseverance, vision, determination, and sweat.
The DNA contains instructions for the operation of the cell.
A restaurateur, or restaurant owner and manager, gives instructions to all employees for maintaining the restaurant.
Interfacing with your boss.
Mr. Krabs, can I have a raise?
No.
Good job, Mr. SquarePants.
Can I make a Krabby Patty now?
The nucleus is the control center of the cell, containing most of the cell's DNA.
Just as the DNA gives instructions from and is in the nucleus, the restaurateur works in his office.
Then his luck changed when he acquired a bankrupt retirement home. And with a few minor alterations, the Krusty Krab was born.
The cell wall supports the structure of a cell and protects the cell.
The building of a restaurant gives it a basic structure and protects it from the elements.
The lysosomes are responsible for the cleaning of the cell.
The janitors, or cleanup crew in a restaurant, keep the restaurant clean and litter-free.
A good employee always keeps his supplies well organized. Very nice, Mr. SquarePants. Not a pickle out of place.
Vacuoles store materials, such as water, salts, proteins, and carbohydrates for future use in the cell.
In a restaurant, ingredients are stored in the refrigerator or pantry.
And now we move from behind the scenes to the front lines, where we'll examine the most important aspect of the industry, the customer. Or, as we like to say, the crustomer.
Who said that?
The cell membrane regulates what enters and leaves the cell.
A door lets customers in, but keeps wind, squirrels, and tanks out.
Here you go, sir. A king-size Ultra Krabby Supreme with the works. Double batter fried. On a stick.
Thanks.
The Golgi apparatus sorts and packages proteins for distribution.
A waiter in a restaurant sorts and distributes the food to the people who order it.
Are ya ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh! Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Absorbent and yellow and porous is he.
SpongeBob SquarePants!
If nautical nonsense be something you wish,
SpongeBob SquarePants!
then drop on the